1965 Corvette, 327, 365 horse. Matching numbers engine. 83,000 original miles. 5 original knockoffs.
That's the best we're going to give it out of canister. Hose. Oh, let me see. Got the hose on there?
83,000 original miles. Garage since 1985. Original paint still on the car. Looks like the original exhaust system's still there. Got a brand new aluminum radiator just going in now.
Maybe, huh? I think.
Got a small crack in this area here. Calipers are locked up because it's been sitting for so long. Carpet just got thrown away. Seats are out of it. Floor pans are really nice. Frame and stuff just has surface rust on it. Four-speed. Always a California car. Original black license plates on it. Doesn't sound too bad.
Before I done all this, I put all that stuff in the engine, turned it around.
Right. Hood looks good. Seats look pretty good. One split on each one. Surface rust on the bottom side. Yeah, appears to be complete original exhaust system front to back. Here's a spare knockoff. It's got the correct Kelsey Hayes number on there. So it's original 65. Not a later style Western wheel one. Yeah, I think that tire's seen better days. Wheel looks good. So with the spare being original, then there's 99% chance the 4 on the car are original. I'm assuming this is original windshield, but I don't know of my Corvette, so probably is. I don't see any evidence of the car ever being wrecked anywhere. This fiberglass notch the notch right here. I'm assuming it's not supposed to be there, but maybe it is, I don't know. A stress crack right in this area. Car looks pretty good. If you have any questions, give me a call, 714-757-8437. I've got over 100 pictures if you need them. Thank you. Original air cleaner. I don't know if that speaker's original or aftermarket. No idea. Hood looks real good. I don't see any cracks anywhere. Original radiator and fuel pump come with the car also. Okay, block casting number looks like 3782870. Pretty sure.
And I even got the original.
Here's a fuel pump that came off it. Carburetor came off it, and the water pump that came off.
I even got the original gas filter.
Yeah, I'm not sure if this is the right carburetor or not. It's kind of hard to make out the numbers on there.
There's some numbers on here, GM water pump.
Oh, there there's the original water pump. Probably.
I don't think this was